the collection of person, place or thing. वो इसम जो किसी चीज़ के मजमूआ को एक लफ्ज़ में जाकर करे उसे collection नाम कहते हैं. For example, crowd. Crowd shows the number of people, but in one word. We say there are many crowds. In crowd there are many people, but we not say that there are 20 people, but we say a crowd. There are crowds, or we can say a bunch. Bunch. The bunch of grapes. In a bunch of grapes there are 18, 19, or 50 grapes. But we say one word, the bunch of grapes, the bunch of banana, etc. If you have any question, I am ready.
What is the meaning of collector?
Collector means collection. It shows collection of things.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for your